Oh sheesh, it's finally here. Limited collector edition of the Funko Pop Summer Convention Shared Exclusive 2024. And the good news is you don't need to fly all the way to San Diego Comic-Con just to get these collectibles. You can get it right here in the Philippines at a limited time and a limited quantity. And I promise to tell you where as long as you don't scroll away, just hang in there. We got 22 limited designs to unbox and you're going to see it exclusive right here on my channel. Blade please. Whoa, look. Haha, first dibs. Shinobu Kocho from Demon Slayer. Dig M Frog. Marvin the Martian, one of my favorite childhood characters from Looney Tunes. Who doesn't like Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts? Tell me. 001 Vaporizing from Stranger Things. Mr. Sinister from the X-Men, so don't forget to watch Deadpool and Wolverine. Godzilla, rah. Grand Admiral Thrawn from Star Wars. Papa Smurf from the Smurfs. Sugar from One Piece. Lord Soth from Dungeons and Dragons. This one glows in the dark. Kermit the Frog from Muppets. The ever-lovable Elmo from the Sesame Street, together with Rocco. Now this one is rare. Batman and Superman Fusion. Edna Mode from The Incredibles. Zero from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Darth Vader from the Star Wars. Harry Potter, perfect collection for the Potterheads. Now this one I like. Bailey Briggs, aka Spider-Boy. Now on to the bigger boxes I have. Baymax from Big Hero 6. Now who doesn't love this? Wednesday and Enid. And of course the biggest box you saw a while ago is Arceus from Pokemon. Just look at the figure. Now of course let me tell you where you can buy these limited Funko Pops. Now all of these will be available from July 26 to 28 at the Toy Kingdom booth at Collectors Con at SM North Edsa. This limited collector's item would be only exclusive to Toy Kingdom. And they are the first to launch in the Philippines simultaneous with the San Diego Comic-Con on July 26. So better mark your calendar and don't miss this opportunity. And I hope to see you guys there. Bye!